All right, well, good morning. It's a little chilly out this morning, probably about mid-50s, and I'm going to try to buff out the hull of my boat. I've never done this before. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and got a lot of suggestions from a lot of guys that know a lot more about it than I do. But we're going to see if an amateur can do it and see how it comes out. The boat's in pretty rough shape as far as a lot of like scuff marks and stuff like that in it. So I'm going to see if I can buff some of them out, and we'll see what happens. Once I get started, I'll probably try to do some time lapse stuff to so you don't get bored. I'll kind of do a little unboxing of a Warrior 7-inch variable speed rotary polisher sander. So that's what I got. And we'll see how it goes. It's an inexpensive one. As always, I'm on a budget here. Very tight one. I've got a, oh, it comes with a disc too. I didn't see that before. I've got a separate disc. And we got a handle. Pretty hefty. And we got a handle. We got a Allen wrench. And see what this is. Something else in the bag here. This is a couple of screws. I think this is for the other handle. As you can tell, I'm not one for reading directions, but maybe I have to, because we got this thing. I'm not quite sure where that goes. Oh yeah, that goes up there. Okay. This goes up on the top. Somehow. All right, that's what these screws are for. I think I'll pause this while I go over and work on the bench. It's hard to do standing here holding it in my hand. All right. Well, the unboxing went pretty good. They give you an Allen wrench that's very difficult to get in here to put in this screw for this handle, and also the disc that came with it fits this okay. But I got a 7-inch disc. This is a 6. I got a 7-inch disc, and the threads on this are too small for that. So I have to use a 6-inch disc. So other than that, it seemed to be okay. The other thing is I don't see anything. There's a speed selector here, but I don't see anything in the instructions that tell me what the RPMs are for each one of these. So I think the wind's about to blow my camera over, but we'll take a break. They said that a couple of the videos I watched said this stock level R stuff is really good. I'm not sure. It's so cold out today. They talked about building up heat and kind of melting the surface and that kind of stuff that I don't know anything about. But I'm going to give this a try, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know if there's another cap. No, looks like I can just squeeze it out. He said put 4 dots on this thing, so I'm going to put 4 dots. A little harder to squeeze out, you know. Again, it's cold, boy. It's probably not Trouble is, the next couple of days is going to rain, and then I'm hoping the boat is supposed to go in the water, and I want to get this done before it's in the water, because I obviously won't be able to stand in the water and do this. So here goes nothing. 6, I'm going to move this down a little bit to 2. Maybe I'll move it to 1. I think I need some more of this stuff in there. Didn't get very much. Oops. Let's try that. That looks a little more reasonable. There we go. I don't know. What do you think? Seems to be grabbing a lot, like it's not very smooth. Probably got to soak this in a little bit. There we go. Let's try this. Doesn't seem to yeah, this is the slower speed, and it seems to be really grabbing on them. Yeah. No, it didn't say to get this wet, but it feels like it's grabbing too much. Anyway, well, I'm going to give it a try for a while and see if I can figure it out. Well, it didn't come out too bad. Once I got going on it, you can see quite a difference between here and there. Not sure the camera can pick it up, but it's not bad. I will continue on, and it's going to be a lot of work though. Wish I was a little taller.
that's it. Heck of a job. I gotta do some more maybe tomorrow. Get this top section here, and then the rest of it, the top can go in when we launch the boat. A couple of days, I think, but it's a lot better than it did. You can see the reflection of the car and everything, just like a new boat. Okay, talk to you all later.